Hello everyone, this is English with Faz and welcome to another video. Today we're going to learn animal idioms. Are you ready? So let's get started. A little bird told me. I heard something, usually secretive or unknown, from someone not named.
Let's just say a little bird told me.
A little bird told me.
Cats got one stung. Said about someone who doesn't speak, usually due to shyness.
Cat got your tongue?
Cat got your tongue?
Chicken out. To decide not to do something out of fear, usually just before.
I chickened out.
I knew you'd chicken out.
Smell fishy. When something or someone is suspicious.
Something smells fishy.
Something about this whole situation smells fishy.
Hold your horses means to wait and be patient.
Hold your horses.
Hold your horses.
Get the lion's share. To get the biggest or the greatest percentage.
You guys made the lion's share.
There you go. Lion's share.
Thank you.
Kill two birds with one stone. Get two things done at once.
I'm just killing two birds with one stone.
Oh, well, we're really killing two birds with one stone.
To be a rat. Someone who is not loyal.
He's a smart rat.
He's a rat!
Cat nap. A short sleep.
Why I took a cat nap on Twitter.
I've already had my cat nap.
Let the cat out of the bag. To reveal a secret.
Well, technically, Stella let the cat out of the bag.
Look, I'm the one that let the cat out of the bag.
Straight from the horse's mouth. Directly from the original source.
I've some news straight from the horse's mouth.
Not until I hear it straight from the horse's mouth.
Raining cats and dogs. Raining heavily.
It's raining cats and dogs out there.
It's gonna rain cats and dogs, folks.
Take the bull by the horns. Face a challenge or danger boldly.
Okay, look. I'm taking the bull by the horns right now, okay?
I'm taking the bull by the horns.
Crocodile tears. When somebody is pretending to cry or has forced themselves to cry to gain something.
No, don't give me those crocodile tears.
Crocodile tears, Mr. Smith. And you're not fooling me.
Elephant in the room. Something obvious and uncomfortable which has not been discussed.
There's an elephant in the room.
So, I feel like there's an elephant in the room.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.